Hello gamers, today we will see how to change Need for Speed Underground to Russian to English language. So let's see what's the actually look like, the Russian version.
EA Games.
Challenge everything.
Hey yo, shit, man. Won't you get
To change the language, you need to make some modification. First, we need to open the install directory. So click properties and click file location. So first download this fix file. Link will be given in the description. So open this file and just simply copy all the file into installed directory and replace. Now here are two conditions. If you already patch the wide screen freaks, then you need to execute or run the changelang WS file. If not, then simply run the changelang bat file. So after run, select your desired language and press enter. It will change your language. You can test.
EA Games.
Challenge everything.
Hey yo, shit, man. Won't you keep moving that? You doing it. But tell you stuff, you know. Right? Riders on the storm. Into the sunset over.
As you can see, our language has been changed. Now you need to replace movies and audio file. Just simply download this second file. Now replace all the files and contents. You can change the data file. Sometimes there may be the language code with the data file like this. So in that case it may crash your game. So rename and clean the data file like this. So thanks for watching. See you in the next videos.